Welcome traders, Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're trading the NQ here with the Trading123 Autotrader. We're trading 4 contracts. It says here in the bottom. C4 is 4 contracts. S20 means the stop is 20 ticks. A little faster market this week, so we're going with a little wider stop instead of 15. Our goal is $620 profit. We're risking our loss $380. Today's date, the amount of trades, and our profit and loss. So basically, in our last video that we made on August 26th, we talked about timing patterns and how we trade timing patterns each day. And if they work, you repeat them and you keep repeating them. So this is a basically timing pattern on the 1030 reversal. So we did the timing pattern on the NQ on August 26th in a trade, netted our $600 profit goal. And so here we are once again, another day, another dollar, August 28th. And the market here, the NQ, is trending up, makes a high, has a pullback, lower high. This stalls out. We start the auto trader a couple minutes before 1030. You got like a 5-minute window. You can start it. I mean, I could have started it here, could have started it here, but I figured, well, with this failure here to break out, we could see some downside, but the market had other plans. So it gets short, 4 contracts. We hit our first 2 profit target and get some gains, and then we get stopped with about a couple, I don't know, 8-tick loss, something like that. I'm not going to do the math. It's a very small loss. And then we ramp up to new highs. We get out our first contracts, 2 contracts with some profit, second contract with some more profits, and then the third one runs all the way up and we get additional gains. And so basically we made 7 trades, 71% winners, $504 profit. Now these timing patterns and reversals also work on the CL, the YM, the ES. But you can't trade everything. I like to trade the NQ in CL because the NQ you can make $500 in 10 minutes or 5 minutes. The ES is going to take you probably 4 to 5 hours because it's like a slow train leaving the station. Has to get going. Opens the market, opens up at 9:30. It slowly moves in the direction it's going to trend, and some days it don't go anywhere. So that's why I trade the NQ in the CL, because the CL, $10 a tick, you can make $200 in 2 minutes. And in trading, most people venture over to the ES for some reason, like I did. I think it's a newbie syndrome, and it's $12.50 a tick, so 4 ticks is $50 on 1 point. Where the NQ, it's $5 a tick, so I can trade 4 contracts and only risking $20. An NQ, an ES, you would have to trade. If you're trading 2 contracts, that's a $100 risk right there. So that's why I trade the NQ. Yes, it's fast, but you have stops, and you manage the trade, and the stops, the trail stops, all manage the trade and protect your profits. So after we run up to this high here, I shut the strategy off because I didn't want to take in any shorts, as I figured we'd get a small pullback and have a third wave up. This was like the first wave, second wave, small pullback, and zoom right up. But you'll see what happens next. So here's the full chart. This is the short, the long, and I shut it off right here. Basically because I thought I was going to have a small pullback and go up, but I was wrong. That's why 98% of the time I leave the strategy trade both ways. So bonehead move on my part. Missed out on this profit, would have hit the profit goal, but then again the market reversed right here, and it was a quick reversal, and basically had some slippage here, so I got some extra gains. Instead of getting 620, I got 826.24 because this was a really quick move, and it got out instead of here. We got some slippage on some news that came out, so I got some additional bonus points, which is always good. So that trade right there lasted a whole 7-8 minutes at the most, and we hit our profit goal. Okay, so let's do the math on these trades. Basically, if you make $500 a day, 5 days a week, that's $2,500 a week times 4 weeks a month. That's $10,000. You trade for 11 months, that's over 100,000, 110,000. You take 2 weeks off for Christmas, take 2 weeks off to go on vacation in July. So you got 11 months of trading. Making $300 to $500 a day is a very profitable salary for the year. And after you trade for 2 or 3 years and you get good, you can up that to $1,000 a day. And then once you get to that point, you're a professional trader. So that should be your goal within a 3-year period of trading, to become a professional trader making $1,000 a day. So like I said, this was a timing pattern, no cherry picking, 1030 reversal. We made our money, and we could have had a wider goal and made $1,000 on this trade. Now like I said, 1030 reversals work on crude oil. Okay, traders, hope you enjoyed the video. You know, one aspect of trading is you got to trade with the volume. So if you're, trading at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, and there's no volume in the market, you're just going to get chopped and stopped and lose. So it's best to wait to start trading the NQ till after 10, because a lot of times there's economic news that comes into play and an effect and moves the market, especially on Fridays and Thursdays. So it's all about timing, and once you get your timing done, like we have a trader that has owned the Autotrader since it was released 5 years ago. He trades every day from 10:25 to 11:30, makes his $500 a day, and he quits. So he quits, and then he has his rest of the day open, and he can do whatever he wishes. If you're a golfer, you could go golfing. If you like to fish, you like to hike. So it's all about knowing when to trade, when to also stop trading and take your profits and not over trade. That's what a problem a lot of traders have. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, sign up for our YouTube subscription here, and sign up for our push alerts on our main website at Trading123.net. Till next time, be profitable.